Pussies. Call the first one savage, mold my mood, that's what it was. 2016 we was running around, beat niggas up in the club. I know she around for the money.
Wide left?
Take a shot through the window. Yo. I saw it bounce.
Left, yep, they're flank.
Yo. I saw it bounce.
Left, yep, they're flank.
Wide.
Wide left? Fuck it. About to say, buddy, you better raise that hand. Okay, let's do it. No way. No way, I just got 2 out. Cover me. Working up, working up. You did not get me, but all right. Pussy. We got some angles today, baby. What's good with y'all? Come on. Peek, baby, peek. Oh, someone's got a good angle. Someone's got a nutty angle. I don't know from where though. I can't get that angle. Hello. Did we plant? Did we plant yet? I'm pinched here. I'm pinched. I can't get in. Do you plant it for us or do we gotta plant it? Okay. Good hits. That's a head tap, baby. You see anyone right side?
No, I don't.
You pushing up?
Yeah, I think so.
Go, go, go. I did get him. Let's go, baby. Oh, I'm sorry, brother.
Good, bro.
That's my fault, bro.
Holy shit.
I didn't even see you popping up.
Hurt.
Did it hurt?
Oh, that thing hurts, bro.
Oh, my fault, bro. My fault.
100%, they're gonna feel that.
They're gonna feel it?
No, dude, if they don't call their hits, it's crazy. That thing rung my bell.
Well, you were also like 5 feet in front
No,
of me.
100%, dude. I stepped up and I was just like, oh my god, Lord.
Dude, I was sitting there spraying someone too, and he popped right up. Oh my god, I felt
Dude,
so
'cause
bad,
I
bro.
sneaked out. I thought it was low enough. No, it was not low enough.
Nah, I feel so bad for that. I know that hurt.
Dude, you're part of the game, bro.
We got this round now. We got it. I won't hit you this time.
I'll keep you to that.
At least you're a good sport about it.
100%. It was an accident. I ain't fucking.
Yeah, I didn't mean to do that at all. My fault, brother. Yo, you're out, bud. Yeah, there's one. Yeah, I got one.
Zane right rear. Coming left.
I'm getting res right now. We're good. You are so cute, aren't you? That's going in the clip. Push it up. He's on castle. He's on castle. You didn't even hit me, bud. You didn't even hit me, bud.
Yo, I need intel. What the fuck's going on? Jesus Christ.
That has a thigh mask too.
You teaming with us?
Yes.
Alright, fuck it. Hell yeah, free for all?
Turn the fun switch on.
Turn the fun switch on. Let's get it. One to the left. I got one to my right.
That tree. These motherfuckers using grenades. Yeah, there's a kid right there in the front of the tree. You see that kid? Yeah, I see him right behind that tree. Dude, just light his ass up right away. Is the game on?
That would have been payback.
I don't see him behind that tree.
No, he's back there. When did the game start? Yeah.
No, you guys are good. They started.
Yeah, you're out. Motherfucker didn't want to call his hits. I'm watching my BBs bounce off the back of his head.
mag.
Is there still one to the left?
Yeah, he's still behind that tree. Yeah, he's just.
We walk around this way.
You wanna take that next building with you?
Now he's speaking.
Hey, I hit your backpack. Damn, got that hit already? That was an easy hit. Did that use it? Oh yeah. Where's Flag?
Inside.
One push him right. Yo, you see Flag?
No, they might have it.
Where the fuck would they go with it?
Where's the flag, yo? Right side, laying behind. Right side. I got a wheel in front of you guys.
Yeah, call that, bud. Where the smoke was?
One ball, right or right ball.
We gon' talk on the facts, like, we gon' get into that. Right, he saw me, he ain't let it clap. Like, ask him how much I threw back. I'm the demon, I like to react. Spin through the route, tryna catch as a pack. Like, 2 shots gon' make him collapse. I do not smoke meds, cause that nigga whack. Like,